Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammad Shehzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover for the new baby born with the stoller and some balloons. For that we need glue, cooling tool, round dias and some multicolor strips. So first of all friends, we will start from the base, from the ties. We need 297 mm blue strip. We have to make it the tight roll with the cooling tool. The second step, we have to make the orange stoller shape. 3 strips we need the orange 297 mm, and the same strategy we have to do with them. I will show you one of them. We have to make a tight roll and put in the 18 mm round dia. Once you put, press from the one side, the other side. You have to make the shape of triangle here. Like this. When you make the one triangle, the rest of same you have to do and make the stoller shape 3 triangle. I will show you in the next step. Now we have to make the handle. For that we need 150 mm strip of blue color and put the glue. For handle. Done. Now the next step, we have to make the blue shade of the stoller. Again we have to extend, put in the 20 mm round dia and press one side until end. Okay, we need 3 the blue colors. Now we need the red tight rolls. For the covering we need 150 mm red strip. Make the tight roll same like the blue one. We need 5 tight rolls in a blue shape. Now the times to make the balloon. We need 297 mm strip of light blue, blue and green color. Put the glue and press one side to make the balloon. Now we need to make the base of balloon. For that we need 75 mm green color and put in the 7 mm round dia. We have to press from one side, the other side we have to put inside. For the rope, this one we done it, and the last one we have to make the rope joint. So we use a green strip of 75 mm, put in the 7 mm round dia and just leave it like this, glue with glue. So friends, we got the stuff: balloon, baby cart or stoller base, tire, the what you can say, the cover, handle and the rope joint. So let's get started friends to put the stuff on the paper. So finally friends, we got the stuff. Everything is in front of you, and it's a boy wooden piece. So let's get started friends. I will show you from the beginning. We make the card with 3 triangles. We have to put the tires on downside and we'll start putting the stuff. It's a boy. So here we have to put the stuff. Sorry. Blue one on the top, green on the right side, and the light blue on the bottom one, the left one, and the joint of the ropes. So finally friends, we complete our newborn baby greeting card cover. I hope you like our video. If you like our video, please comment below the video, share the video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon that can you find below the video. If you have any question, you can ask me freely. I will answer you as soon as possible. So until next video friends, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz, and keep supporting our channel.